To rearrange the quick settings panel on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is fairly simple. What you want to do is simply open up the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone, and then from here, you're going to go ahead and select the option Quick Panel. Now you should be able to see a preview of how the quick settings panel currently looks like. And in order for you to rearrange it, all you need to do is simply touch and hold a specific item and move it to your preferred position. So say for example, you want to now move the volume icon, you can just long press on it and move it to whatever position you want to place it in. You also have the option of adding available buttons to your quick settings panel if they have not already been added. You can also choose to remove some items if you prefer to do so. And then once you're finished with your customizations, do ensure to remember to tap on Save to apply the changes. And so now, whenever you glance at the quick settings panel on your watch, you should be seeing the changes have been successfully applied. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.